let's take a look at what a king-size standard room looks like at the Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. You ready? Let's go. With the door directly behind me, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the room. There we go. All right, this is a king bed, so this is one bed in here. Plenty of storage underneath for all of your suitcases. And then also lots of room over here, especially if you're gonna have like a pack and play with just 2 adults. We do have an ice maker. We also have a coffee maker, and these are going to be the single serve pods that go in here. For those of you that like to bring your own coffee, you will get coffee here plus tea, and then the creamer that you get is going to be original only. We do have a beverage fridge, so it does not get as cold as a normal refrigerator. And then storage here for any snacks or anything that you would like. We do have this desk/table right here. It is on wheels, so you can pull it out if you would like. And then there is another chair over here. So if you would like to actually grab something to eat and actually sit at a table and eat. And then we have storage here. So we have the 3 drawers, and then your safe is going to be in here as well. Underneath the TV, you're going to have your USB plugs on either side. You will have USB plugs on the side of the bed. And then each side of the bed is gonna have this light switch right here. And whenever you push it, that will go on and off. Right. Above the bed is going to be Mickey, Minnie, and Donald. We'll go into your bathroom. So there is going to be 2 separate rooms. So there's just going to be a curtain that is going to separate the bedroom from the actual sink area. So we'll come in here. So you'll have extra toilet paper. You'll have all of the towels that you need. The sink is fairly large. And then the area right here is so-so as far as room. You're going to have some storage area. Here is your hair dryer. And then your iron. Your ironing board will be here. Okay, all right. Be one long closet. Okay. Very, very large mirror. Hi. And then here is going to be the separate bathroom, and this is actually a fairly large bathroom. All right, so you're gonna have all of your towels. Here we go. And then you have a bathtub. You are going to have, for the moment, the H2O product. So you have a body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. It's a fairly large tub. And then also you have your shower head. If you would like a look into all the small details about what it's like staying at the Disney's All-Star Sports Resort, check out my Disney's All-Star Sports Resort video. I will have that linked in the description box below. I'm Terry with Creating the Magic. Have a magical day.